got to say, this is a wholly weird experience. We're sharing this carriage, this is our compartment, with, as far as we can tell, just, I don't know, about a dozen other people, all of whom are Russians, all of whom are wandering around, much as I am, in our pajamas. People we've never met before, never likely to see again. We're in this shed where we're having the wheels changed. We've just had Polish border control and then Belarusian border control in here searching. There's sniffer dogs. We've had somebody crawling under the beds with a torch, presumably looking for immigrants or whatever. And it's all deeply odd, and it's kind of late in the evening, and it's impossible to describe. I think we should have got the plane. This is crazy. Anyway, and we're just settling down to the evening movie. Oh, jolly fine. Night night. So we're now in Russia. We've just been broken by this fella in a peak cap, and Katie turned to him and said, "What do you want?" And I thought she was going to give him a breakfast order, but in the end, he made himself perfectly clear that he'd like to see her visa, which saved us of the ignominy of going, "Well, I'll have a croissant and 2 glasses of orange juice, please, because I'm a bit parched." Lordy, lordy. So this is Solomensk out the window. It's 7:30. And we're rapidly approaching Moscow, I guess, in 4.5 hours' time. So this little monster is going to take us to Moscow. Wow. And it is quite a little monster. A double header, as they say. Better get back on. Well, and here we are in Moscow.
We made it!
And we arrived exactly on time, to the very minute.
Exactly.